1. Take your clothing and lay it out on the work surface. If you want a through-and-through shot, lay it flat. If you want just an entry wound, you'll want to stretch it out so there's only one layer of fabric. 2. Hammer the nail through the fabric. Make sure to put it in far enough that you can't pull it out by hand. 3. Yank the fabric up over the head of the nail. This will create a small round tear in the fabric. 4. Push a finger through. Make sure to go in the direction the bullet would travel, so push in on one side, out on the other. This will make it more realistic. 5. Paint the holes with blood. Use a small makeup applicator or paintbrush and consider what the blood drips and smears would look like. In a sweater or jacket, the blood would just absorb into the fabric. If the bullet holes are in a lighter material or closer to the skin, like this t-shirt, the blood would drip some before absorbing. 6. Let the clothes dry. Depending on the type of fake blood you used, you may or may not be able to wash the clothing afterwards, or you may want to dirty them up if you're doing a zombie or someone back from the grave. Tips. Use old clothes that you don't like, or that have worn out, or buy clothes from the second-hand store. Make the exit wound hole bigger than the entry wound for a through-and-through shot. If you're doing a zombie or some other general sort of character, go for lighter colored clothing so that the blood shows better. Lighter fabrics, or those that are closer to the skin, are going to drip blood. Heavier fabrics will absorb it. Yanking the clothes up off the nail fast makes it easier and tends to make the hole bigger so you can tear it easier. Warnings. Be safe. Don't use rusty nails or unstable work surfaces. Protect yourself, wear eye protection, and don't smash your hands. Be sure you have express permission to destroy the clothes you're using and to put nails in the surface you're using. Don't borrow your roommate's favorite shirt or put nails through your grandmother's antique table.